Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel with me, Dr. Sadek, where we bring you helpful tips and tricks maintaining healthy smiles. If you care about your health or even if you have teeth, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Today I'm tackling a topic that many parents find challenging. Techniques for brushing your toddler and baby's teeth. I understand that brushing a baby or young child's teeth can sometimes feel like a battle, but fear not. I have some fun and effective techniques to make the experience more enjoyable for both you and your little one. Let's start with the basics. The toothbrush and toothpaste. It's important to use a small child's toothbrush with soft bristles, as an adult toothbrush is too big for their small little mouth. Find one that's colourful and eye-catching. For children under 18 months, you can simply wet the toothbrush without using toothpaste for brushing. And from 18 months onwards, we recommend using a tiny amount of low fluoride toothpaste, gradually increasing it to a pea-sized amount between the ages of 3 to 6. Now let's talk about the best position to see inside your child's mouth. Instead of asking them to open wide and tilt their head back, which can be uncomfortable, try having your baby or your toddler lying in your lap in a bright area. This way, you can take a good look at their teeth while you brush. It's all about finding the position that works for you. Here are some tips and tricks when it comes to brushing your child's teeth. If your child is old enough to stand, I recommend positioning yourself behind them or beside them, preferably in front of a mirror. This allows them to see themselves and make it a more engaging experience. You want to use your hand to support their chin and ask them to open their mouth wide. Take a moment to examine their teeth, looking for any signs of discoloration, plaque buildup, or spots on their teeth, especially around the gum line. When brushing, you want to use small circular motions on the front and the back of their teeth and a forward and backward motion on the chewing surfaces. Aim for about 2 minutes during each brushing session. This will ensure that all the areas are covered. Now, I do understand that brushing a baby and a toddler teeth may even take a little bit longer than 2 minutes. You do have to be a little bit patient. After brushing, ask your child if they're old enough to spit out any excess saliva or water from the brush. For older children that use toothpaste, they can spit out the toothpaste, but should avoid rinsing immediately after, as the low fluoride content in the toothpaste can actually help to protect their teeth. Don't forget to rinse the toothbrush and let it dry for the next use. Cleanliness is key. Now let's address some common challenges parents find when it comes to brushing their toddler's teeth. I have some fun activities that can make the experience a lot more enjoyable, so stay tuned. Firstly, distract while brushing. Give your child a toy to hold or play with while you brush their teeth. This way, their attention is divided and they're more likely to cooperate. Sing a song or tell them a story. Your multitasking skills will come in hand here. Use your voice to entertain your child while brushing, sing nursery rhymes, tell stories, or even find a fun children's book about teeth brushing. Your voice will keep them entertained and engaged throughout. Play with a toothbrush. Once your baby is familiar with the toothbrush, let them play with a second toothbrush under your supervision. As they gain more hand control, you can start brushing their teeth together and make it a joint activity. Take turns. Make it fun by occasionally letting your toddler brush your teeth first. Instruct them how to brush all sides of your teeth, emphasizing the importance of cleanliness. Then it's your turn to brush their teeth, creating a playful back and forth. Add some animals. Turn toothbrushing into a virtual tour of the zoo. What do I mean by this? Well, you can ask your child to open their mouth wide open like a lion or stick their tongue out like a lizard. Let them choose which animal they want to be that day. It's a creative way to make brushing enjoyable. Use a mirror. If your child can see that their teeth are being brushed, they may be more cooperative. If the bathroom mirror is too high or intimidating, try using a mirror on a stand at the kitchen table. This way they have a close-up view of their mouth and can actively participate. Remember, persistence is key. Brushing your child's teeth may not always be easy, especially during busy mornings and tired evenings, but stick with it. Establishing good oral hygiene habits at a young age sets the foundation for a lifetime of healthy teeth. Having an effective approach to teaching your children the importance of oral hygiene can be challenging, but it is rewarding. By incorporating the techniques that I've discussed and making toothbrushing a fun and engaging activity, you're instilling lifelong habits for maintaining healthy smiles. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative and enjoyable, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also, make sure you hit the bell notification button underneath to keep getting notifications to all of our new and wonderful videos. If you have any questions or you want to share your own experiences with toddler teeth brushing, please do leave me a comment in the comment section below. I do love hearing from you all. And remember that with a little creativity and patience, you can make toothbrushing a positive experience for your child. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.